you guys remember, I guess a few vlogs back, I started talking about doing some soft luggage for the KLR, and I decided I was going to buy 2 medium-sized Alice rucksacks and figure out a way to mount them on the side of the KLR for camping videos, for camping and things like that. So I don't have to take the hard bags, but I still have room to take camping gear. And they're lighter, easier to manage, softer to go down, etc., etc. Well, I'm about ready to mount them. I'm going to show you what I came up with. So here's the rucksack right here, and I had to come up with a couple of different ways. I was going to use them like saddle bags, like you would throw them over a horse, where they have a strap that goes between the two. So I was going to use this long webbing. I bought like 10 or 15 feet of this stuff on Amazon, and it came with these buckles, and I cut it and sewed it up right here, as you can see. And what I was going to do is put this piece of PVC pipe right here I just looped it from one side to the other with 2 straps so they could hang. But I noticed that tusk, you know, the racks right there that we have for our panniers, we make a mounting system for that is for soft bags, and it looks like this. So look at that. So, and this is just a plate strapped onto my soft luggage right here, right here, right here, and up here. And this will actually mount right on there, just like the panniers will. And so I can avoid figuring out how to hang it and everything else. Now I did this side, but I didn't do the other side, and I'm hoping I'll be able to do that and show you how I basically am setting mine up. So give me a minute. Basically, I just lay the plate right here, just like this, and like I said, I pre-cut several of these straps. They're all the same length, and you can cut them to whatever you want. And once I cut them, I took I don't know if this is focusing, I took a propane torch, had the flame on, and just passed these under the flame until it singed it so it wouldn't fray. So basically what I was doing is passing this strap here through this side, and I'm going under this PVC pipe inside here and back around to this side. I'll do that with both sides. You put the strap back on, or the buckle back on. And I'm sure you could dress these up once you get them done, because some of them are going to be too long, but you could dress them up a little bit. You buckle that right there, tighten it up. The same with this side. Snap that into place right there. So the top is done. Now fortunately these rucksacks have these straps at the bottom here, and these are to go around the Alice frame, but they are almost in line. So you cinch all this up on both sides. One side's a little bit tight, you get to undo it. So, and then for the sides, I did the same thing as I did for the other one. These rucksacks have this pals webbing on the side here, and so I just pass it through these webbing loops on the side. And these rucksacks are built like tanks. I mean, they're really tough. So through that buckle right there, or through that loop, through that slot. Buckle it up, take out the slack. Do the same for now. Like I said, he'll be dressing these flailing ends up here pretty good. Buckle it up, pull out the slack. Okay, and now this side, you can probably cinch this up a little more. This side is ready to go on too. And just like that, I've got a soft bag mounting system. So let me get it put on. See if I can do this one-handed. So just like the panniers, You just park it right there. Get the strap out of the way. Right there on the bottom. And it locks in place just like the aluminum panniers do. I'm trying to do this one-handed. There we go. So that rucksack is on that side. Let me go to the other side. So there's the other one right there. Now these bags are empty, but as you can see, it's actually going to be a pretty good system. It's not in the way of anything. Like I said, I'll dress these straps up so they don't get caught anything. I think they look good. And as for what I planned to do earlier is, as you can see, this is still kind of high on this side. But so I got these longer straps. So what I plan to do with those longer straps was so these were going to go from one side to the other. So I go over here. I'll just loop it through here, over to the other rucksack, around that piece of PVC pipe I got there. Buckle it right here and cinch it tight. So that'll keep it from flopping around a little bit too. And I have two straps just like this, so if I needed to cinch it even more, I could put another strap on it. So there we have it. Mine is dressing up the loose straps. I think that this is going to work just fine. Just fine. But no, that's going to look great. It's not in the way of anything. I don't think it's touching anywhere near the exhaust. And if it does, there's a metal bracket between this and the exhaust pipe. So yeah, I think we're doing good. So now I have a camping setup, and as you can see, I mounted the tool tube I did in a previous video. I mounted it to the front. I still need to come in and trim these off, but that's the only thing I got left to do. And other than a little bit of routine maintenance, I believe this KLR will be ready for camping. Let me know your thoughts on this rucksack for soft luggage. I think they're going to be great. I'm going to love them. Alright guys, I appreciate it. Let me know what you think about these rucksacks as soft luggage for this KLR 650. You guys have a safe one. I'll talk to y'all again soon. So hey guys, if you like that video and this content is something you have an interest in, or you want to know more information about this KLR 650 or modifications you can do to it, or what I've done to it, or anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, I really appreciate you watching it. And if you enjoyed it, click that thumbs up button down below and click that little bell down there so you know when I upload more videos. As always, be safe out there, and I'll talk to y'all again soon.